How to fix Facebook account restricted from advertising. So if you want to fix the Facebook account restricted from advertising, then what you need to do is you need to open up your Facebook application at first. Once you open up your application, now you just need to simply switch to your profile. So in my case, I have the page. I'll be switching to my Facebook account. Now, once you switch, what you need to do is just go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll down, go with settings and privacy, and tap on help and support. Go with report a problem, and tap on OK, and go with continue to report a problem, and it will start creating the report. So you can just wait for a few seconds, and after that tap on include, and here you just need to simply choose the ads option. So search for ads, but if you don't have the ads option, then you can simply choose an option which is related to ads. Once you've chosen, you will get this kind of interface where it will take you to send, report, or describe the issue page, where you just need to simply write, I'm having issues with not being able to advertise on Facebook. This account is restricted from advertising and I need this to be fixed. And once you've written that, you can simply go with upload photo, and you can upload some screenshots of that. And once you've uploaded, you can go with send, which is on the upper right, and after that you'll receive an email within 24 hours or 48 hours from Facebook, and your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.